Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. Cricket is an outdoor game. Second, market. I go to market with my mother. I go to market with my mother. 3. Notebook. This is my notebook. This is my notebook. Fourth, bus. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Fifth, family. There are 5 members in my family. There are 5 members in my family. Sixth, sky. The sky color is blue. The sky color is blue. Seventh, bird. Bird fly in the sky. Bird fly in the sky. Eighth, rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is a beautiful flower. Ninth, mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. Number 10, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.